Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use Cursor AI with Figma. First, go to your Figma and open one of your designs. Then from here, click on this icon at the top left corner. Now, go to Plugins and select Manage Plugins. For here, we will download the Figma to Cursor plugin. So just search for it. Then go ahead and select this one. Now, click on the Run button. Once you have that, go and select a frame from your design. And as you can see, you can copy it to Cursor. So click on that. And once copied, go to Cursor and here, paste in your code. Then at the bottom of it, you can go ahead and type in your prompt. For example, is make this design interactive. Then submit it to Cursor. Then Cursor AI will do exactly just that, or do exactly what you prompt it to do. But that's just basically it. That's how you use Cursor AI to Figma. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.